Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Today you are going to learn how to create a sky using MS Paint. So simply you need to go to MS Paint, click on Start, select MS Paint, Microsoft Paint. Now you are going to go for the shape tools. To draw the sky, you are going to go to the shape tool and select the stars. Select the stars. And then now I'll show you how to draw a moon. You can take the shape oval, draw two ovals, and now you can go for the fill with color tool, and color the sky black. So we are going to color the oval, a part of the oval, black. As such, it appears like a crescent. And now, okay, you can draw more stars. So what you need to do is just take the color one as white, and then you can just go for the shape and fill in solid color. Take the star and draw the stars. This is the other way of drawing the stars. Simply you can draw a number of stars which you require in the beginning, or you can also do it this way. This is the way you create the sky. And now you can fill in color for the stars. I'm going to take yellow, not for the background, just for the stars. So this is the way you draw a sky, a simple sky with the stars and the crescent using MS Paint. So here you can enter the text. Just use the text tool, and then you can write here. Draw a sky. Okay, let me take smaller. Drawing sky with stars and a crescent using MS Paint. Now go for File, Save As. Go to your folder on the desktop which you created and save it as Sky. The file name, whatever file name you wish to give, you can give that, and save, and click Save. Thank you.